Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do a free kick training. So there are no specifically specified training like the only free kick training or the only dribbling training in this FIFA Mobile. So what you need to do is just join the live events. To do the training, tap the live events. You can find any training in the event, like daily training, for example, like the skill training. You can find free kick bricks. This is a free kick training for you in daily training. If you if you finish that training, you can try in league tour. You can find this is passing one penalty training. Nah, this one free kick box shapes. This is the free kick training also. And maybe this is the in the founders. The first daily training is free kick box wall. So please train yourself in the free kick training so you can do some skill, or you can make a goal with free kick in actual match, like head to head, or when you push your rank, when you are face the free kick situation. You already train that skill. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.